ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफ, ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफ, तो क्या मजा है जीने में। बड़े बड़े तूफान थम जाते हैं जब आग लगे उस सीने में। मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश विद दिलीप। So I hope you are watching my video now. So yeah, I introduce myself. My name is Dileep Ajnar. I am from Madhya Pradesh, Balratpur district, and now I am here. Now I am living in Indore city. Yes, Indore. So my main purpose of living in this year, this year, because I am doing a study. That's why I am living in this place. Yes. So English is why important for everyone, and everyone why want to learn English language. So this question is how to every people, and everybody's have to like that question. So English is not our mother tongue, and English is not our national language. So why important English language? So if suppose if you are going any abroad country foreign, so there you can go that, and you don't know English, how to speak English and how to communicate people. So then how will you do that time? What will you do? Yes. So that's why everyone learning in English language, and English is a most important language. Yes, our mother tongue is Hindi language, and our mother tongue is Hindi language, and our native language is different. So this is very tough to learn English. So I am able to speak English, and I am learning English language. That's why, because English is not difficult. English is easy. How to learn English? You have to learn more time. You give more time English subjects, then you can easily speak English. Yes guys, so you have to learn sentence tense, and you have to write down in your notebook. You have to recording video watch, and you have to practice in front of mirror, and like that, then you can easily learn English language and speak your influence your communication. So everything is possible. If you are doing hard work, then you have to possible everything. Without hard work, can't get nothing, anything. So English, and I think this video is going longer, so we will meet next time, and I hope you will support me, and you will give response this video. This video is helpful for everyone. Yes. So thank you.